Customer receipt. A customer receipt is a document issued from a business to a customer after the customer has paid for items or services. It acts as a proof of payment for both your business and the customer. You can create customer receipts from Customers module. Go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Receipts. Click Add Receipt. You can select the customer from the Customer drop-down menu. After you select the customer, system will display customer balance, and if that customer has outstanding invoices, you can view the outstanding invoices. System will generate the document number for this receipt. You can enter the receipt amount, reference, you can select bank account, you can enter description and comment, you can select the date, and you can select the payment method. Now when you are creating bank accounts, if you have set any default bank account in this system, this is the default bank account. Therefore, system will display this bank account as default bank account. If you want, you can change the bank account. And in this bank, default payment method is check. If you want, you can continue with check, or you can change the payment method. There are 4 payment methods: cash, check, credit card, EFT. EFT for electronic fund transfer. You can select the payment method. And if your customer paid by check, you can enter the reference as check number, or any reference for credit card or EFT, you can enter as reference. If you are using analysis code, by clicking this analysis code link, you can select analysis code. And from unpaid invoices, you can select unpaid invoices, then system will calculate the payment amount. Or you can enter the payment amount. Then if you have set auto allocate to all list invoices when you are creating customers, you can go to customers. We'll open this customer. For this customer, we have set auto allocate receipt to oldest invoices. Therefore, when we enter receipt amount, system will automatically allocate that payment to oldest invoices. You can view invoice date here, and when you enter payments, system will allocate to oldest invoices. And if the customer paid partial payment for these invoices, you can enter that amount, payment amount for that invoice. Like that, you can enter invoice amount. You can enter receipt amount if that customer paid partially. you can enter discount amount. Now when you are creating invoices, you can enter the discount amount. For invoices, you can enter discount amount. However, when you are paying or your customer paying to you, you are giving early settlement discount, or if your customer paying lesser amount than invoice value, or you can consider those as in a discount, and those discounts you can enter here. Like that, you can enter discounts, and you can save this customer receipt. You can process, or you can process and print, or you can process and email this customer receipt. In addition to that, you can go to customer invoice list, and from there you can create your customer receipt. Now this invoice is outstanding invoice. You can click these actions, select create receipt, then system will create the receipt for this customer. System has already selected that customer amount, and it has allocated that receipt to this invoice. If you want to change, you can change this bank account, payment method, reference you can enter. After that, you can process the customer receipt. After you enter receipts, you can view the list of receipts, customer name, receipt number, reference, receipt date, receipt total. You can search receipts. You can filter receipts. You can sort by multi-columns. You can export this customer receipt list to CSV file. You can customize this grid. You can check required columns. And if you want to sort this grid by clicking headings, you can sort ascending or descending order. You can view how many receipts you have entered. Like that, you can enter customer receipts.